A short story about peace and reconciliation. Long ago, one of the emperors of China vowed before his ministers and the people that he would eliminate all his enemies from the face of the earth. All the people eagerly awaited news of the enemy's fate, wondering what actions the emperor would take against them. However, all the people's and ministers' expectations were wrong. A week after the emperor's promise, all his enemies were present in the palace, eating and laughing with him. The ministers were astonished, and one of them stepped forward to remind the emperor of his promise to eliminate all his enemies. The emperor smiled and said to the minister, "I have kept my promise. Now, we have no enemies. I resolved the conflicts and disputes that were between us, and they have now become our friends. My dear friend, be a maker of peace in a world that has lost peace. When hatred prevails, sow the seeds of love. When harm and aggression are rampant, instill the spirit of forgiveness and pardon. When despair spreads, spread hope. Where darkness prevails, bring light. Where sorrow is widespread, spread joy. I peace, call upon all nations, all peoples, all tribes, and tongues. I say to them, seek me, and I will come to you swiftly and dwell among you. I will enrich you and save you from the losses you face here on earth. Hold on to me, and wars will cease, conflicts will end, disputes will dissolve, divisions will vanish. The scattered will gather, the exiled will return, killings will stop, fires will be extinguished, and destruction will depart. There will be no more poverty, hunger, thirst, plagues, or annihilation.